Oh, I see you down there. Oh, okay, just teleport me to you again.
It's easy. It's easier than. Oh, we have to climb. Okay.
It's the
climb.
It's the climb.
It's the climb.
The climb. The clams.
Okay. It's the climb. Where's the first treasure chest? Here it is.
I don't know how to treasure chest.
Wait, what? Hold on, one sec. Oh, what? Wait, what? Sam, look at this.
What?
Look at this. I can. No, crap. Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Look at this.
No. Sega. Bye.
Oh.
Oh.
That's
Serious? Are you kidding me, Sega? Sega, I know you're watching this.
I knew I saw something. I saw, like, when I was first jumping up there, I'm just like, wait.
Sega,
Wait.
I know you're watching this. What the fuck is this shit?
Okay. Calm down, Sam. Just like, this is no big deal. This is just one. Okay. All you need to do is, just put an invisible wall over that, okay? Like, you may have not thought it was high enough, but... Okay.
Is the game even finished?
Okay, I don't think... Okay, so I don't think we can die in the hub world, because we're not dying yet, so...
What?
We're not dying yet, so...
Alright. Maybe I just need to complete the shit.
Okay, you know what?